Let us understand how to insert data into order items with Parquet file format. Our source files are in text file format and our target table is created using Parquet file format. As data is in text file format and our table is created with Parquet file format, we will not be able to use load command to load the data. However, when you run this load command, it will be successful, but when we try to query, it will fail as the query expects data to be in Parquet file format. You can validate by running this and it will fail, saying that file in that location pointed by our Spark Metastore table is not a Parquet file. Now you can scroll down and you can truncate this table. And here are the steps to get data into table which is created using different file format or delimiter than our source data. We need to create stage table with text file format and comma as delimiter. We'll be naming it as order items underscore stage. Then we have to load data from our files in local file system to stage table. Then using stage table, we can run insert command to insert data into our target table. Let us see an example so that you understand this process in action. I am connecting to the database ITversity Retail here. Listing the tables, we have only orders and order items. Now I am creating this order item stage with a comma as delimiter. As I haven't specified stored as clause, it will by default use the text file format itself. We can create this table. If you want, you can actually see the output of describe formatted to understand the file format here. So I can say spark.sql describe formatted order underscore items underscore stage. Then I can say show 200 false. You can actually see the details here. Table name is order item stage and the file format, you can see that input format is text input format and output format is hive_ignore key text output format. So as we have created stage table successfully using text format which is in line with our source data with comma as delimiter, now we should be able to load the data into this table using load command. We can validate by saying select star from order underscore items underscore stage limit 10. You can see the results here. However, we have already copied text files into our order items table which is created using Parquet file format. To keep it clean, let us truncate the table first. It will take care of truncating the table. Then we can actually run this insert into table order items, select star from order item stage. If you just say into, it will just append the data into the existing folder by creating new files, and you will see the count incremented based upon the number of records that are inserted. Now the insert ran successfully. You should be able to run this select star from order items and count to validate, and it should work this time. Earlier it failed, but now it will show the records. And also you can actually get the count. The count will be 172,198. You can run this insert table command once again. Let me run this. Let me run this query and let me get the count here. You will see double the number because we have inserted twice and it took care of appending the data into the existing table. Now let me actually save overwrite here. It will take care of overwriting the existing data. If you run order items, select on order items, you will see the 10 records here. However, if you want to get the count, you can run this query and you can see only 172,198. When we say insert overwrite, it will just overwrite the existing files in the target location pointed by our Spark Metastore table. You can validate by running this command, and now you should be able to see the file names with the Parquet extension including Snappy, because by default Parquet files will be Snappy compressed. This is how you should be able to use insert effectively to transform the files which are in text file format into Parquet file format. However, we need to have a stage table in between. That stage table should be in line with our source files. We have to use load command to get the files into that stage table, and from the stage table we can use insert and insert into the target table, which is created using any other file format than this source file, or even if the delimiters are different, even though the source file format and the file format used while creating the target table are same.